Living in Deltona, Florida, means enjoying year-round sunshine, beautiful landscapes, and a vibrant community. But it also means being prepared for the realities of hurricane season. From powerful winds to flying debris and torrential rain, tropical storms can put your home to the test. One of the smartest and most effective ways to protect your property is by installing hurricane-resistant doors. These specially engineered doors are built to withstand extreme weather conditions, offering peace of mind and an added layer of protection. If you're a homeowner in Deltona, here's why upgrading to hurricane-resistant doors is a smart move. Built to withstand high winds and impact, hurricane-resistant doors are specifically designed to endure Category 4 and 5 storm conditions. Unlike standard doors, they feature reinforced frames, heavy-duty hinges and locks, impact-resistant glass or solid materials, multi-point locking systems for extra stability. These features allow the doors to withstand winds of up to 150 miles per hour or more, as well as direct hits from debris like tree branches, roofing materials, or unsecured outdoor furniture. That means your home stays secure, even when nature is at its most unpredictable. Added security year-round. While hurricane-resistant doors are designed for storms, they also offer enhanced security every day of the year. Their robust construction makes it extremely difficult for intruders to force entry, adding a layer of protection that benefits your family long after hurricane season has passed. Many models include shatter-resistant glass, reinforced locking mechanism, stronger door slabs that won't warp or split. For Deltona homeowners, this means peace of mind whether you're at home, at work, or away on vacation. Enhanced energy efficiency. Storm protection isn't the only benefit of hurricane-resistant doors. These doors also offer excellent insulation, helping to keep your home comfortable while reducing energy bills. Features like tight seals, insulated cores, and low emissivity, low-E, glass help prevent hot air from entering during summer, or cool air from escaping when you run the AC. Moisture infiltration that can lead to mold or mildew. This improved energy efficiency is particularly valuable in Deltona's warm, humid climate, where keeping your home cool can be a challenge. Increased home value and curb appeal. Investing in hurricane-resistant doors can also boost your home's value and visual appeal. Available in a wide variety of styles, colors, and finishes, these doors don't just protect, they enhance your home's exterior. Whether you prefer a modern look or classic charm, you can find a storm door that complements your home's design while delivering serious performance. If you ever decide to sell your home, buyers will appreciate the added protection and lower insurance premiums that hurricane doors provide. Lower home insurance costs. Because hurricane-resistant doors significantly reduce the risk of storm-related damage, many insurance companies offer premium discounts for homes equipped with them. In Florida, where wind mitigation is a key factor in homeowners' insurance rates, this can lead to substantial long-term savings. Be sure to check with your insurance provider about available discounts when you upgrade to hurricane-rated doors. Compliance with local building code. Deltona, like many Florida communities, has strict building codes in place for storm protection. Hurricane-resistant doors are often required for new construction or renovations in wind-borne debris regions. By choosing professionally installed, code-compliant doors, you not only meet legal requirements, you ensure that your home is protected by the latest safety standards. Final thoughts. Peace of mind starts at the door. In a storm-prone area like Deltona, preparation is everything. Hurricane-resistant doors offer a simple yet powerful way to protect your home, loved ones, and investment from the devastating effects of severe weather. If you're ready to upgrade your entryways with protection you can trust, contact a trusted local door specialist in Deltona today. Your home deserves the strength to stand up to any storm, and the security that comes with it.